Okay, baby, so I bought you a brand new t-shirt, right, from Wrangler. You like that shirt?
Yeah.
Okay, and it fit good, right? It's a medium?
Oh.
Or is it too big? You need it small?
Need small.
Next time you need it small?
I like that. I like loose.
Okay, so you like it that it's loose, it's a medium. Well, I got it on sale. Wrangler was having a great sale. Hey, Forrest G. And listen, I had to buy the one that was on sale, which was the medium, because, baby, you gotta understand, these days I fly business class.
Yeah.
So, hey, you understand, right? I mean, I gotta cut corners any way I can cut them. So, I could have gotten a small, but it was full price. So I went with a medium. Maybe if you wash it a few times, put it out in the sun, it'll shrink up a little bit. Or you just keep eating, you'll grow into it. So, just please understand, babe, I fly business class. But I do have a gift here for you. Okay? Baby, this is made out of hemp, organic cotton. Okay, it's got. Well, go ahead, check it out. If you don't like it, it'll be my barbecue grill attire. Go ahead and put that on, baby. Whoa, looking good, baby. That's a Patagonia workwear apron right there, folks. Because I want her to do some tough work around the kitchen, around the house.
I don't know.
You look beautiful, beautiful in that, baby. Beautiful. Let me help you out here. Let me help you out. We'll just have to tighten this up a little. No way to adjust that. I'll tie a knot in it. Let me see what we got back here. Or you can just go like this and tie it in the front. Here, turn around, baby. Turn around. Let me help you out here. Yeah, you can tie it right there or tie it in the back. You got a big kangaroo pouch here. Whoa! Whoa, that's a huge pouch. Check, make sure there's no money in here.
I know I'm a chicken. You try this on first, baby. I think it's so big for me. I like it, but it's big. Try.
Okay, baby, but the problem is one size fits all. Okay? We can get it taken up, make this thing higher. Oh, that fits me, baby. Whoever wears this apron shall be the head chef. The question is, do you want to be the head chef or you want me to cook?
I'm the one who cooks. You cook and hold soup. You always cook a soup.
Oh yeah, look at that, folks. That is a proper barbecue apron right there. This shirt's made out of hemp too. How's that look? Ready for some serious barbecue action. I'm taking back over the grill. Pretty soon I'm taking back over the grill, but it's going to be a new grill. A different grill. It's going to be a beautiful grill. Baby, we used to eat pork steaks and grilled vegetables every night. And for 2 years, what have we been eating? She's covering her stomach in the video, if you notice that. That's what happens. 2 years of eating nothing but unhealthy food, you get a big tummy. That's what happens. We're going back to pork steaks and grilled vegetables. Oh yeah. I was going to give this to you, baby. This got me written all over right here. Hell yeah.
Give me one t-shirt.
I gave you one t-shirt.
Yeah.
Are you talking about you want one of these? Baby, it's the same shirt. You don't need two of the same shirt because you're not going to wear it to begin with. Well, don't wake the man up. You don't need to wake him up. Buddy, I didn't tell her to wake you up, man. I said just come in here and give you them clothes. I didn't know you were sleeping, man. In case he gets cold at night when Grandma's not there.
Motor dito ka, di ba?
Alas pa.
Ano? Oo. Di naman yung mga long sleeve to eh. Pangkuhan ka, kuhan ba?
Laro.
Na, ganun ba? Ingat ba? Oo, di ba?
If you get cold when grandma's not there, now you can snuggle with that long shirt,
Yeah,
man.
napaisin niya na ba yun? Makaigo ko rin si Mapay ko. Okay, ko rin si mo no?
Luwag mo ganun, di kayo.
Di ba?
Ayaw nga di kayo. Luwag.
Alo, pero okay na rin sa imo.
Okay na, okay na.
Pero
Hindi kayo ko na hugot.
pangkuhan, hindi tayo. Ay, hindi panghatag sila to yan. Eh, parang nakipagnakaw ba? Ay, hindi pa mga sila. Di na pwede ka no?
Sulod
Ay,
sa...
mga t-shirt ba rin? Ingat ni tayo.
Sulod sa ako.
Mga
Kasi kayo.
mga t-shirt man yung
Mga
mga
tusod lang rin eh. Kasi kayo.
yan ay pang break. Nya, aray lang ka tayo. Mga nadagan man yung mga t-shirt. Ay, panghatag sila.
Sila mo kayo matag. Ako na yun.
Hey, man, bring that box back in here, boy.
Luwag, ginauna.
Isukod sa bog. Layo.
OC in the house. OC old station. I'm passing on that famous shirt, man. Time to pass on that shirt, man. I almost wore it out, but now TayTay got to take it over.
Isa po.
Isa pa lang na.
That's from the OC,
Bata.
Oh, yan.
courtesy of California Swede. Now TayTay gonna be rolling in style, man. Gotta get him some golf clubs.
Oh, di ba?
Yeah, there you go. There you go.
Salamat.
Yeah.
Iko kayo ni Timo, pre.
Time to pass it on, man.
Oh, di
That's,
ba?
yeah. And I gotta take him to the golf club. Play some golf.
Iko kay Tay.
Ako lipas.
You gotta upgrade his uniform, his wardrobe. You're welcome, buddy. Sorry to wake you up, man. I didn't tell your daughter to come in here and wake you up. Fatima had no remorse.
Uy, dudong, dire, dudong. Lara, pangkuhan, ito yan. Ikaw, bukas karton. Kung laki
Yeah, get him a carton, baby. Get him a carton. Big booty alert.
ha?
Ah, nothing. There was a big booty alert. Ah, Grandma got him a suitcase. Those are great suitcases, folks. You know how many women I've thrown out of my house and issued them one large suitcase? Just like that. They can have one for free. I charge them for anything over that.
Trash bag, ikaw ng mama.
Yeah, Fatima, when we decide to part ways, I'm gonna give you 2 trash bags. Like I did on the last 2 times you left.
Tuloy, katawanan niyo eh.
But you got hungry and came back. Last time you only made it to the coffee shop.
At least ay buy ano, milk tea.
She got mad and left me. Went and got a milk tea.
Yung mga mga tinina.
Didn't like the flavor, got depressed and came back home. How would my life be different if she had got the right flavor of milk tea? Maybe she would have kept going. I don't know. Baby, when you left that time and went and got milk tea, what if you got the right flavor? Would you have kept walking towards Bacon?
Of course.
But you came back because they gave you the wrong flavor? Told y'all folks I got bad luck. Damn, why she didn't get the matcha?
Nagtunod ko ako nalok doon.
Aray mo naman.
Ito, ganyan din o.
Oy, imuha na ba? She doing hardcore.
Was she harboring one for herself? That's a nice one. Try it on, Grandma. I think that's Banana Republic. That's an expensive shirt right there. Got that at the thrift shop, Great Falls, Montana. Brand new. 100% cotton, not made in China. It's a champion.
No.
Yeah, yeah. That's straight from Montana, Grandma.
Nakatripping si Ma'am. Ayaw pa ko katatay. Tay, mo na ikon si Tay. Darong kay katay.
Now the question is, when Flo gets here, how many is she gonna harbor?
Na, wala eh. Tay, harbor dayon mo. Pwede mo mismo dayon.
Gilain.
Sabi na ako, want to na bukit. Hindi ay. You stay put.
Yeah, folks, got some threads in from the States via shipping cart. If you need to ship stuff from America to the Philippines, shipping cart. If you don't know about shipping cart, that's the way to go. You get an address over in Oregon, which is tax-free shopping. Send it to Oregon, they box it up, send it to you in the Philippines, air, 10 days, somewhere in there, 10 days, 2 weeks. Air is the way to go. You can send it by the boat, it'll take forever. Forrest G has claimed the box, and Maria's got some clothes to check out when she gets home. So anyhow, just changing up my uniform. Changing up my uniform. Lightening up. Been dressing like I've been trying to move to the Rocky Mountains, and I have finally decided I'm not moving to the Rocky Mountains, folks. I'm a tropical type of guy, so it was time to get rid of some long sleeve high clothes and get a little bit cooler, so that's what I did.